Hello guys, I'm Kiri, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my Lotus Excel SE. My Lotus, I have three cars in my collection. Ford Escort XR3i 1989, Fiat Punto GT Turbo 94 and this Lotus Excel 1988. I bought the car 5 years ago, and on that time when I bought the car I just put the car in the garage. So I started collecting some parts, tires, original tires. They are not new, they are second-hand, but they're in very good, excellent condition. So I wanna bring the car like how was from the factory. Uh, my car is with original paint. Just in two places I noticed the car being resprayed, the seals under the doors, and on the left front corner the car being resprayed a little bit, but in overall the car is original. Inside the interior is original, how I said, outside the engine, everything is original. So I collect many parts on these 5 years, uh, and finally I decide to go to the mechanic. So I put the car on the transport. So yeah, I'm gonna give the car to the mechanic. So what I'm gonna do to the car, first I wanna change the head gasket, because I noticed last time when I checked the oil level was a little bit over the maximum, and then the color of the oil I didn't like, it was a little bit not clear. So also when I opened the cup for the water, I see some like bubbling, the water bubbling. So I think definitely mix the water with the oil. So that's mean I need to change the head gasket. So anyway, I have already the head gasket. I don't know last time when the gasket is actually being changed. So another thing is I'm gonna change the cam belt, the tensioner, the water pump, the fuel pump as well. How I said, I'm gonna put the new tires. I'm gonna restore just the wheels, because they've been resprayed once, but I don't like how they've been resprayed. So that's why I'm gonna clean this paint what is now, and I'm gonna respray with the same color like the original. And then I'm gonna put, of course, the tires, the original tires from the car. They are Goodyear Eagle NCT 215 50 by 15, 4 tires. Also the spare one, I have 5 tires, Goodyear Eagle NCT. They're the same tires actually like Ferrari 288 GTO. Um, what else I'm gonna do on the engine? Yeah, I have as well the filters, the air filter, the fuel filter, the oil filter as well. I'm gonna change. Also, I don't like the brakes, how they working. I think the the right front brake doesn't work properly. So I said to the mechanic to check the brakes and to change the brake fluids, and then also the front springs, they're broken. I noticed that when I bought the car, but anyway, I said I'm gonna change them. So I have already a new one, and the mechanic is gonna change the front springs as well. Um, what how I said, the filter as well, the air filter, and then I'm gonna change the headliner, because this is the original headliner and it's coming off. So I speak already with the other guy, so they're gonna change the headliner. Inside the interior I have some issues, but they're gonna be sorted out by the other guy who gonna repair the headliner. And then I think the car is gonna be ready. Just change. Also, I'm gonna change the brake pads. Probably gonna check the discs if they are not good. Maybe they're gonna uh, check them. So if they're not good, I need to order new one. But I think they are good. Just they need to be sanded a little bit. They need to be sanded. So what else on the car? Mm, Inside, I'm gonna take off the seats and the carpets. I'm gonna wash the car properly inside, and then the seats I'm gonna wash as well. I'm gonna refresh the leather because it's a red leather inside, and then the car is gonna look nice. Of course, I have a rear backlight because the original one is little piece is missing, but I have another one, so this one is gonna be changed as well. The Lotus EXCEL is very rare car. Just it's come on the market in 1982 and been in production to 1992. So for this 10 years, just 2,159 cars being produced by one source. By the other source, just 2074. So anyway, I don't know which source is correct, 2074 or 2159, but anyway, around 2100 cars being produced. So the design was by Peter Stevens and the Lotus EXCEL. The original was Lotus Eclat, but Peter Stevens just redesigned the Eclat, so you see the results with the EXCEL. And they're using many Toyota parts, the gearbox, the differential, the brakes, inside the interior some parts as well. So guys, yeah, I think I start with the Lotus, and then I'm gonna give some attention to the Ford Escort XR3i 1989 because this car needs attention as well, and the Fiat Punto GT Turbo after that as well. So I'm gonna bring my cars back to nice condition. So guys, I hope you like the video, subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye!